And ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, it burns, burns, burns their heart. Suhail Seth, let me tell you, they are burning tonight. I never put out advertorials, but let me tell you, I can give gallons, Shazia Ilmi. I can give buckets of burn all tonight to Riju Datta and Kapil Madan and the Congress and the Lutyens circuit. You know, when their leader jumps off a boat into the Indian Ocean and goes swimming, and when 6 working committee members of the Congress party take pictures of the 51-year-old adolescent saying he looks so good because he's swimming in the ocean as part of his campaigning, then it's fantastic. But when the Prime Minister of India goes at 9 o'clock at night, encourages construction workers, walks through the sludge and the debris and spends time with the people who are building the Central Vista project, they burn. Kapil Madan burns. Look at Riju. They burn. What would you have? What would you have the Prime Minister rather do? Go for dinner in a Khan Market restaurant? You know, you're burning tonight. You try to run down this project. Riju, people like you and Kapil Madan owe an apology first to everyone watching tonight. Owe an apology. We are not going to live in the relics of the Raj. You may want to.
Can I
come in? Can I come in, Arnab?
I
would like to start
answer
this
you now?
debate.
Yes, please, go on.
Now,
Who wants to start?
You know, let me tell you.
I've already started the debate.
Let me tell you. Yes. So, let me, tell you and, start with telling few facts. What is the cost of Central Vista project? The cost of Central Vista project is approximately 20,000 crores. Now, let me give you a Bernal moment of central government. Now, when a case was filed in the Supreme Court, the central government showed their inability to pay compensation to the COVID victims.
Right.
After being admonished by the Honorable Supreme Court, they now filed an affidavit and say that they can only pay a sum of rupees 50,000 rupees. It is not rubbish, Arnab. You please check you please ask your research team to check these data and check the fact. The latest affidavit which they filed, they've offered to pay only a sum of
You want data?
50,000. I have the data. It is there in the public domain. It is not in dispute that they have offered to pay a sum of rupees 50,000.
I'll tell you. I'll give you data. You want data?
Let me give you.
You want data? You want data or don't want data? No, Kapil. No, it's an equal debate, right? You give me data, I give you data, we counter the debate, we move fast. We're not giving speeches here. He says, we must not waste public money. 1 minute. Kapil Madan, hold your horses and apply the brakes. Listen to me. Kapil Madan of the Congress party says, now listen, don't take my name in vain. I'm responding to you. He says, Shazia, we must not waste public money. Oh, I so agree. In the dying years of the UPA2, a government steeped and soaked in repugnant and sleazy corruption. There was a house called 10 Janpath, which spent 51,43,318 rupees of taxpayer money to maintain the quality of electrical fittings. I repeat, your lampshades in 10 Janpath cost 500 crore of taxpayer money. So stop lecturing me. Shazia is on the debate. Don't talk rubbish. The lampshades at 10 Janpath don't serve the nation. The center, China NC. China NC is on the debate. China NC is responding to you. China NC opening the debate now. We are opening the debate. We need to hear both sides. The lampshades at 10 Janpath were costing 51 lakhs. Please, thank you.
The new Parliament building is expected to cost about 971 crores. Until the beginning of August, a total of 238 crores had been spent by the union government, as was told in the Parliament session. Now, if there are certain people who are speculating, I would want to say the following. The new Parliament building is going to house 7,000 defence personnel. It is to be completed by November 22, and just in time for the winter session, but at the same time, the Central Vista Avenue is being redeveloped to be completed just in time for the G20 summit of the world leaders. Now, these are not just talking points, but this is delivery. You have the hard-working Prime Minister who goes abroad, is on an absolutely action-packed trip every minute for the country, comes back and goes and visits the laborers at Kasturba Gandhi Marg. You have chosen just to dismiss all his hard work, honesty, and are on a personal campaign. If this has been created for 7,000 defense personnel, and if their agenda is only, on the other hand, to spread lies, I think let the people of this country decide, Arnab. The people of this country realize.
All right. We heard both sides.
We're not waiting.
Arnab, allow me to
for
respond to her,
somebody
please.
else to get kickbacks and all
1
kinds
minute.
of underhanding.
A minute. A minute, please. I will add a couple of points here. Viewers, misinformation, right, is dangerous. My straight counter to this being a 20,000 crore project, Riju and Sohail are on the debate, so is Alok. Till date, only 2 projects of the new parliament building with a tendered cost of 862 crores and redevelopment of the Central Vista Avenue with a tendered cost of 477 crores have been awarded and the works are underway. Expenditure incurred on these 2 projects till March 2021 is 195 crores and the budgetary provision in 2021-22 is 790 crores. Now compare this to the fact that 1,000 crore rupees is spent as rent every year by the central government, which is going to be saved only as rent, recurring expenditure, Sohail. Second point, the project frees up 75 acres of land for the public. Beware though that it is entirely possible that Rakesh Tikait will say that the 75 acres have been kept for me and take over that as well, and the Trinamool Congress, Aam Aadmi Party, Congress will all join in very happily. Now, please understand, you have been completely exposed. You as in all the people who are opposing this project. Okay? First, why don't you begin by starting a massive protest that Sonia Gandhi should give up on 10 Janpath. 10 Janpath is bigger than 7 RCR. 1 minute. 15,000. Nation, no, 1 minute. After this, please understand, please, okay? 15,181 square meters in a super palatial Buckingham-style bungalow, which is more expensive than the Prime Minister of India's 14,000 square meter 7 Racecourse Road residence. Before you preach, please put up a tent outside 10 Janpath and launch an eviction drive saying, Sonia Gandhi, practice what you preach. Now, Riju, please answer the question. Don't give me a prepared reply. Tell Sohail, are you willing to do that?
Okay. No.
Are you willing to do that?
Listen, please, let me speak.
No, are you willing to do that?
Can I
No, don't be a
speak?
hypocrite.
You finish your rant, then I'll start. No, you finish your ranting, then I'll speak. I'll say what
I have finished my
the Central
factual
Vista
assertion
project-
of facts, not a rant.
Okay. Now, when the Supreme Court has cleared the Central Vista project, I, as a spokesperson of a national party, is not going to criticize the project. But what I am going to tell you is, Prime Minister Modi just recently came back from a US trip, where he visited the White House. The White House is a very old building, which is a state-of-the-art facility being upgraded on a daily basis, right? Why can that policy not been followed here? We could have kept the external part and we could have upgraded internal. But okay, we have to build a new Modi Mahal, fair enough. I am not going into that. But now let me also say this, that yes, maybe the Central Vista project is required for the new MPs. It's a new infrastructure, everything is there. But there are certain pressing issues in the country as well. When the Prime Minister Modi, after a 15-hour-long flight, can go and visit the workers, why couldn't he in last 1 year take a 30 minutes drive and go to Singhu border and meet the farmers, where more than 100 farmers have died sitting on the roads of Delhi? Now we are complaining against their protest. Why couldn't the Prime Minister do that once? Why couldn't this money that is being used
First of all,
now
I don't
for
know any
some
farmers
vanity
involved in
project
this.
has been used for the medical
Secondly, the
use.
people are being
Distributed
inconvenienced
among
and
the
blackmailed.
farmers.
Thirdly, we are
Why
discussing
can't
the
we say
Central
that?
Vista project. Sohail,
So Riju is
come
normally
to the
very,
point.
very
I'm
sharp.
talking
To
about
discuss the Central
Vista.
Vista
Riju,
project, please.
Riju, Baba, আমি কথা বলছি, Riju is normally very sharp and adept. Today, for some strange reason, he has made 3 cardinal errors. And let me tell you what they are. Number one, to compare the White House, which is the residence of the President of the United States and houses the offices of POTUS and the Vice President, with a People's Parliament is silly. Number two, you're talking about a vast swath of land that is being redeveloped, recalibrated, refurbished, re-prepared for a new India, keeping in mind 3 things. One is the growing needs of parliamentarians. Number 2, office space. Number 3, security. The third point is your Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, gave up on Writers' Building and then set up something across the Hooghly, right? Did anyone object? You know, everything can't be about Modi
right.
Mahal, Modi's parliament, Modi's Central Vista, Modi's this. Don't give Modi more credit than he deserves. This is India's parliament. He happens to be the head of government. He is doing something for posterity. He is not going to be there for all time immemorial. So please don't say that, oh, it's Modi's parliament. Now, I want to address a secondary issue about expenditure, which Kapil very carefully and rightly alluded to, that, you know, why was COVID relief not given and why was this? Please, let's not mix metaphors. There is an issue with COVID. There is an issue with recalibrating and re-preparing a country, especially when you call it a democracy, which it is, and its parliament. So to my mind, mixing metaphors doesn't always win you an argument. Does India
Can I come in
need
now?
a
Quick
new
rebuttal
parliament?
to
The
Suhailji,
answer
please.
is need a new parliament. The answer is 1 minute, Riju, আমি তো তোমাকে interrupt করলাম না, আমি তো interrupt করলাম না, আমাকে শেষ করতে দাও, শেষ করতে দাও।
I thought you
The
finished.
question
I
that needs
thought
to be
you
asked,
finished. I
Riju,
thought you
is
finished. I
does
thought you
India,
finished.
no, does India need a parliament which is modern, which is up to date, and which is secure? The answer is yes. Which government does it? The government of the present government. Let's not attack Modi just because you want to attack Modi alone. Don't attack every project that is meant for the development of India because you hate Modi. You know, I will end by just saying this, Riju, you're from Bengal. We have all studied Shakespeare. When Mark Antony asked Brutus, why did you stab Caesar? He said, it's not that I loved Caesar less, but I loved Rome more. It's time, Riju, that you love Mamata less and love India more. That you hate Modi less and love India's democracy more. Eta koro baba. এই দিয়ে ভালো হবে, পুরো দেশটা চলবে ভালো করে। আমি শেষ করে দিয়েছি। I'm ended.
Okay. Okay, thank you. All respect, Suhailji. I just want to say, yes, I made an unfair comparison with the White House. Let's compare the Indian Parliament with the German Parliament building. Same thing, upgradation done, state-of-art facility without disturbing the, the locality of the place. Okay, now coming into your second thing, I want to make it very clear that we are not saying that, Central Vista should not be done. What we are saying
Excellent.
is, number one,
Excellent.
the timing of it. Number two, India is going through certain pressing issues which needs to be addressed by the Prime Minister rather than going to the Central Vista and meeting the workers.
No.
He is the Prime Minister
That's
for
a
the people
subjective
of this
view.
country, not
No,
a
that is
PR
subject.
minister.
That is your
Let's
subjective
get that
view.
clearly.
No, that Riju, please wait 1 minute. Can you please 1 minute? Alok Bhatt has to come in. No, 1 minute. Alok Bhatt is a policy analyst. He's a former economic advisor to the Uttarakhand Chief Minister. He's joining me from Dehradun today. I place a strong protest over the fact, the irrefutable fact, that my question on the largest bungalow of Sonia Gandhi 10 Janpath, which is bigger than that of the Prime Minister, has gone unanswered. My question about her electricity bills, by the way, electricity bill of Sonia Gandhi was 7.44 lakh rupees, out of which how much did she pay? 9,000 rupees. 2007 to 10, her electricity bill was about 7.5 lakh rupees. She paid 9,000 rupees, and the rest of the 7.38 lakh rupees was paid by the Lok Sabha Secretariat. Why? She didn't have the money? Then switch off the lights. Second question. You want me to give you, why are there no answers? Since where does all your oozing concern for the people of India disappear when somebody leads that czarist life? Kapil, don't move your head left and right. Answer my question. You people linked this project to COVID. And let me tell you, where do you want us in India in 2040 to operate Shastri Bhavan? I think Hardeep Puri's description is brilliant. He said Shastri Bhavan is a blot in the heart of Delhi. I would have used stronger language. It's a fire hazard. It's a walking, talking fire hazard. It's a danger. It's not going to be inhabitable sometime soon. But yeah, Sonia Gandhi should live in 10 Janpath and the government of India should operate out of Shastri Bhavan. Well done, Kapil. Sonia Gandhi should live in 10 Janpath. Rahul Gandhi should live in Tughlaq Road. But the government of India should operate out of Shastri Bhavan. Well done. I say no. Kapil. First you move out of 10 Janpath, then we'll reconsider the decision to break down Shastri Bhavan.
This is your own figment of imagination. I've never uttered these words. You have assumed and you're just trying to mislead everyone. I have never said the words that you were just saying on the camera. What I was saying, I just heard the Minister of the Central Government, Mr. Hardeep Puri, boasting about the Central Vista project and saying that the Prime Minister, after doing allow me to finish, Arnab. I know this is inconvenient for you. I know it is inconvenient for you, but please allow me to finish, then respond. I heard the minister boasting about the Prime Minister's very hectic visit, and immediately after spending 3 days he came and he visited the site. Now I'll ask only one question to your viewers here.
Yeah.
Where were he when there were lines outside crematorium? Did he even visited one hospital? Did he even visited one crematorium? Now today, this Central Vista project is clear by the Supreme Court. I am not arguing. I'm not questioning.
Alok is responding. Limited time. Alok Bhatt.
No.
Alok Bhatt, he hasn't even had a single turn. I have a lot to say, but I'll let Alok come in. I have a lot to say, but I'll let Alok come in.
Arnab, first of all, the cost of this project, as the gentleman said, 20,000 crore. There is no final cost as of now, but then cost which was filed as with Environment Ministry for EC was around 13,450 crores. So he is already out by 6,550 crores. That's one. The second point, the opposition to this project the source-based report for this project came in the month of September 2019. Hindu was the paper which published that report towards the starting of the September. Then during the I think second week of September, government came out with the advertisement for or rather some press release came out which announced this project. And 27th or 28th, the protest against this project started with one of the columnists, who's a Modi-hating columnist, writing an opinion piece in print. So there was no COVID at that point in time. Then these same people, they interviewed the architect of this project, called him names. They called him Modi's pet architect, Bimal. Mr. Bimal. So there was no COVID at that point in time. January, again, somebody wrote a piece in print and wire, and there was no COVID at that point in time. COVID thing came in March 2020. And that's when, these people started giving an argument of COVID. So this opposition to this project is not about COVID. It is not about anything else. It is only the manifestation of hate which these people have for Mr. Modi. And to just to add to what
that
you
is
said
the
about
point. Alok, spot on. I'm telling you, when Kapil, 1 minute, Kapil, counter. Kapil, counter to you. Shaina is back. Shaina is back. Kapil, listen. Kapil, listen. Please, I don't want to remind you, but before the 176th foundation day of the Vadra Congress, what did your 51-year-old leader do? He went to Milan. He went to Milan, right? Okay. He went to Milan. Did we question why? But when Modi goes to a construction site, you have a problem. What do you want the Prime Minister to do? We want the Prime Minister to go strolling in Lodi Gardens? If the Prime Minister is working at a construction site, why does your heart burn?
My heart
No,
is not
you have
burning,
a problem.
My heart burned.
No,
When
Shaina,
the
he now
India-
says I don't have a
when-
problem because you're on the back foot.
I'll tell you what.
This
When
is
the
a
crematoriums were
thoughtless
burning, my heart burned at that point in time.
opposition. Oh,
I'm
why
only
are you
questioning
mixing the
that.
two issues, sir? Do understand that the Central Vista
China.
project aims at developing, even if you look at the total, Arnab, if you look at the total of 86 acres, which takes care of every part that one is going to redevelop, this is India's pride. You have 900 to 1,200 MPs who will be sitting there. You have the 75th Independence
Yeah.
Day of India, which is going to be celebrated there. And even if the total estimate is looked in totality and it touches 20,000 crores, which still is not a certain, what is their problem? The problem is it's a Make in
Yeah.
India brand. The problem is you have a honest.
The problem is
Prime
nothing.
Minister. The problem
It's
is
called-
that you have somebody
No.
who has
It's the problem is simple, Shaina. The problem is called
is spending time with
no. The
neighbors,
problem is called nitpicking.
problems and the issues.
The problem, Riju, I have to go to the next debate, but I'll say, as Sohail also indicated, the problem is called nitpicking. By this logic, we should not use Rafales. We should only have an Indian Air Force of only MiG-21s, right? We should continue to use, 1970s ships. We should not use MRIs. We should be happy with X-rays, right? We should drive bullock carts, and we should work out of Shastri Bhavan for the rest of this century. That will make them extremely happy.
Are not recognized by the country which the Prime Minister visits.
And
Yeah, but Riju, I know that you went to Washington and took a picture outside all the refurbished buildings and said how wonderful they are. Next time you'll do it outside the Central Vista. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you for that.